Okay, today you're going to be doing an activity that's called Me on the Map. Right now, today, you should only have this one page. Tomorrow, we're going to do more pages that are going to go with this book. When we are done, all of these circles will line up on top of each other and they're going to make a little flat book. And it's going to talk about where you live in the world. All the different places that you live in the world. You live in your house, you live in your city, you live in a state, and then we're also going to talk about your country and your continent and the earth. Okay, so you should have in front of you this blank page, and what I want you to do for today is to draw pictures for each of these circles. You're going to draw a picture of you in this bottom one. Draw a picture of your house here. We're going to draw a symbol of your city, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. And then you're going to draw a picture of California here, and I will show you what those look like. You are not going to cut out the circles today because I don't want you to lose the pieces. Just draw and color today, and then tomorrow we will cut out and assemble the booklet. Okay, so don't throw this paper away. You're going to need it for tomorrow. Okay, when you are done coloring, it should look something like this. I drew a picture of me. I tried to make it look as best as I can what I look like. I drew a picture of my house. I tried as best as I can to make it look like my house. Okay, just do your best drawing. And then I live in the city of Corona, so I drew the symbol that Corona uses. Now I have all of the symbols for every city that you guys live in, so if you don't live in Corona, don't worry. I'm going to show you what the symbols for all the cities that you guys live in, what they look like in a second. And then everybody lives in California, so we're going to write up here California, and we're going to draw a picture as best as you can. You're going to draw it of what California looks like. We live down south in California. We live in the county that's called Riverside. So you're going to put a dot around this area and write Riverside right there. Okay. Now, you can use my pictures here to help you draw. Or in this video, I'm going to show you what I use to help me draw, and you can use those too. The one thing I want to point out is, do you notice on the edge of every circle, I colored it in blue. I want you to color the edge of every circle in blue just like I did here. Because when we stack up all of our circles on top of each other and they make that flat book, this blue is going to be part of the ocean when we have it as the earth. Okay, so the outside of everybody's circle should be in blue. All right, and then if you at any time want to pause the video to look at my sample to do your drawings, you can do that. Here, I have all the symbols for the cities that you guys live in. This is the symbol for Corona. This is the symbol for Norco. If you live in Riverside, this is your symbol. Riverside's known for that bell. Okay, if you live in Eastvale, this is Eastvale City. This is the city of Jurupa Valley. And I know some of you live in Mira Loma, which Mira Loma is technically part of the city of Jurupa Valley now. At least that's what I read online. So they didn't have their own logo, and I read that it was part of Jurupa Valley. Okay, and this is the city of Covina. So again, you can pause the video to draw the symbol of your city on the circle of your city. Don't forget to write the name of your city on the line. So here is your circle. You should write the name here. Okay, and lastly, here is the state of California. So you can use this to help you draw the shape. And down here is the county of Riverside, where all of our cities are within. Okay, Corona is actually on the west side here. So you're going to put a dot and write Riverside on your state of California. Okay, when you're all done with your drawings, it should look similar to this. I should have names with capital letters on your state and on your city. I should have your best drawing, your best coloring. Take your time. You're going to get an art grade and a social studies grade for this. So make it look nice. When you're done with this, you're going to take a picture of it and send it to me. And then tomorrow we'll finish the rest of your book. So again, just pause the video wherever you'd like to do all of your drawings. Okay, can't wait to see what you do.